Coronary artery disease occurs when an accumulation of artery walls of the plate and suitable to limit blood flow to the heart. This can eventually lead to a heart attack or cardiac death. Coronary artery disease can be treated or prevented by lifestyle changes. A major influence on the management of the disease or preventing your diet. We rounded the finger food artery and causing them highlighted so great and how they can keep your arteries clean. 1. Avocados. Avocado. Is there anything that it cannot do? It is avocado is good news regarding your arteries. 2. This healthy fruit of heart increases your cholesterol good while lowering your bad cholesterol. Avocado is packed as potassium over a banana. Actually, potassium has been shown to help prevent cardiovascular disease and vascular calcification in your arteries. 2. Fatty fish. While the myth that fat is bad for your arteries was discredited, it is important to know what type of fat you should eat. The fish is packed with healthy fats, also called unsaturated fatty acids. Fish consumption is linked to fewer heart attacks. Their omega-3 has been proven to reduce triglycerides and prevent the risk of cardiac death. 3. Nuts. Walnuts are heart health power. Rich in unsaturated fatty acids, vitamins, and fiber, nuts are a good choice regarding a healthy snack. Try almonds, cashews, Brazil nuts, or all of which are rich in magnesium. Magnesium prevents the catchment disc and cholesterol in the arteries, helping to prevent clogged arteries. 4. Olive oil. Tired of hearing still talk about healthy fats? Of course not. They are delicious. But we end our RSS healthy fats here with perhaps the most versatile and popular of all, the olive oil. The monounsaturated oleic acid say that 3 times fast found in olive oil protects your heart and greatly reduces your risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke. Drizzle over salads and use it in the kitchen, but are you using the right type? For all this oil antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, purchase 100% of virgin olive oil. 5. Coffee. Good news for coffee lovers. This pick-me-up beloved helps keep your arteries clean. One study found that drinking 3 cups a day significantly reduces your risk of developing atherosclerosis or clogged arteries. If coffee is not your cup of tea, green tea has also been proven beneficial for cardiovascular. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce damage to arterial walls. The levels of inflammation have been shown to have a direct effect on arteriosclerosis, hardening of the arteries. A study on rats shows that this antioxidant-rich spice can reduce fatty deposits in the arteries by more than 25%. The best way to add turmeric to your diet is by making the turmeric tea. 7. Pomegranate. Drink pomegranate juice for heart optimum health. The powerful grenade was shown to clear clogged arteries and improve blood flow. This is due to the level of fruit without radical-fighting antioxidants, which stimulate the production of nitric oxide in the blood. 8. Citrus. Both antioxidants and vitamin C are good news for the health of the arteries, and citrus has a lot at once. Studies have shown that vitamin C has an important role in reducing the risk of heart disease, and flavonoids found help protect artery walls.
Keep an eye on the bergamot fruit in season or bergamot tea. Bergamot has been shown to lower cholesterol as effectively as statin according to a study published in the International Journal of Cardiology and Borders in Pharmacology.
9. Whole grains. Dietary fiber found in whole grain help improve cholesterol levels in the blood and protect against diseases. Source: Heart Trusted.